Today we're going to look at a couple of questions. The first here is a probability distribution question. The first thing I did was I finished filling in our table. The first column I added was x times the probability of x. So this is just the first column times the second column. When we add up that column, this gives us our expected value of 0.54. And then my next column was x squared. So I just squared the first column, and then I took that new column and multiplied by the probability of x. This allows me to find the standard deviation. Which is approximately 0.9635. The second question is what we call binomial probability. There are only two outcomes. They either buy popcorn or they don't. Now, the first part, A, we want to know the expected number who do buy popcorn. We have a formula for this, which is just n times p, which gives us 12.3. Part B is what is the probability of 13 of them buying popcorn. So for this, we can use our binomial formula. And we've calculated it to be a probability of 0.2578. Now, one thing when doing these calculations, in your calculator, you're probably going to want to put a time symbol there, else you will probably get a wrong answer. Part C is the probability of more than 13. So in this case, we need to calculate the probability of 14 plus the probability of 15. And we can just use our formula that we used in part B. We just adjust the numbers, and you will get 0.1678 plus 0.0510 for an answer of 0.2188. Now part C, we want to know the probability of x less than or equal to 12. Now you could calculate probability of 0 plus probability of 1 all the way up to probability of 12. But that's a lot of work. It is much easier to do 1 minus the probability of x greater than 12. And we've actually already calculated all those probabilities. We just have to do the probability of 13, 14, and 15, and subtract those from 1. So this would be 1 minus. Giving us a final answer of 0.5234. Now again, you'll notice with the probabilities, I went 4 decimal places. This is quite typical.